shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for August 21st. Well, SPY is having a little bit of a down movement this morning. We're bearish below 336.80. We've just gone below that and hit quite a few of our targets right now. Let's see, we're below a couple of these big dark pool levels, but 335.45, this is really key. Yep, I said yesterday if we close below it, that's going to be bearish. We did not close below it, did we? Nope. So let's see if we close below it today. All right, if we do, that's going to be bearish. Let's head on over to the E-minis. Bullish above 33.87, bear below 33.70. We've gone and hit quite a few targets this morning. Watch that 33.50. So we came and we hit S1. Yeah, why did I pick this? 33.56, right? We pretty much came right to it. That is S1 and the 15 exponential move. Well, it was closer before we moved down a little bit. But S1 is a very powerful person's pivots level. Let me show you if you're not familiar or you don't have confidence in this. Look at that. It doesn't get any better than this. See how we came down and look at the volume. Explosive volume. Computers are programmed to buy here. So if we move up and then we move down again below it, look out, we're going down to 33.40. Camarilla. That's where those computers are loaded to buy and sell. So actually seeing the volume come in definitely gives you the confidence to trade off these things. Let's go to the Russell. All right, the Russell leading the way to the downside. Only bullish above 157, bear below 155. We've already gone down and hit 154. Couple targets. So if we go below 154, there's your next entry on the short side. Let's go to the Qs. Bullish above 280.50 and bear below 278. Yeah, so the Qs are the strongest out of all the indexes. Yeah, but we are at the high of this upper trend line. Yep. So that's why I put bullish above 280.50. If we do break out, parabolic movement, here we come. All right, so bear below 278, but we do have, that's a retracement. We have all these really big dark pool levels below us. We would have to close below all of those for the NASDAQ to have a correction. All right, so that's key. Watch those levels carefully. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 11,520. Bear below 11,450. And yeah, we did a little bit of a retracement trade. And we hit, yeah, we pretty much retraced almost to the pivot. Let me show you that chart. And that was we were mapping this out in boot camp. And again, see how we came all the way down to person's pivot, little camarilla that look at the high volume. Yep, and the $100 levels are very strong. So computers are programmed to buy there and bounce. If we go below that, there's your next trade. All right, that's the key level to watch. Let's go to the oil futures. Oh, actually, I might as well keep this here. Bullish above 42.75. Bearish below 42.39. And we've gone below it, of course. And you can see when we went below person's pivot, look at the volume. See that? Yep, selling. Yeah, when it couldn't hold above it, the sellers come in and knock it down. So watch that. And if we do go above 42.50, that could be another entry. Yep, for going long on oil if we do. All right, so let's go to the gold futures. Yep, gold coming down pretty big. We're going to be bullish above 1952 and bear below 1934. Yep, which we've already gone down. And tested this camarilla. It looks like we bounced off there. Yeah, so I would really watch this S2 level. Yeah, 1915. If we can't hold that, look out. But we are coming down to this. See how I put weekly trend line support? Yep, that's my target, which we just hit. You see, that's this level right there. That dotted green line going all the way back to 2011. That's how powerful that is. So yeah, if we cannot hold on to that, look out below. We'll most likely come down to 1863. And if we can't hold that in the big picture, 1800 is my final target on this retrace. Okay, so let's go to individual stocks. Let's go to PDD. Bullish above 88 for retracement and bear below 85 for pin duo. Let's see if it can hold on to this 50 simple moving average. Yeah, if it can't, we've already done that. Look out. Look out below. Let's go to NEO. NEO, bullish above 1412. Don't really love that level, but it was the best one. Bearish below 1348. All right, silver pulling back. And you can see they lifted it up yesterday, right? But what was missing? Who could tell me what was missing on this candle? Let's see if anybody in the boot camp can tell me. Volume, right. Yep, you need gasoline to push it up the hill. So volume is key. You can see the selling volume was bigger than the buying volume. It's just a retrace before they knock it back down again. Don't get faked out by low volume, okay? Really key. And we are below, well, some prints, but we're still above. Let's see. Hold on a minute. We have 24.94. Yeah, below us. That's key for silver. Yeah, that was a 1.7 million. We're still above it, but we are below this print, 26.25. So there's a battle going on between two of those. Yeah, one algo wants to sell at 26.25 and one wants to buy in that area. So that's kind of why it's been, yeah, going back and forth. So, oh no, we are below it. I take that back. Sorry. We're at 24.94. We're below all of it. Yesterday we were battling it out. Today we're below it. Yep. Sorry about that. It's Friday. We're below the prints. It's bearish, guys. All right. Very bearish if we stay below that. All right. Sorry about that. Brain freeze. Foot Locker had earnings. We are only going to be bullish above 29.20. And we're going to be bearish below 27.99 for Foot Locker. Yeah, right now it's a big, giant doji. A long-legged. I hate this. This is probably my worst candle. I like a short, fat doji. Yeah, so much better. Like this. It's so easy. If we close above the high, it's bullish. Close below the low, it's bearish. This is such a big, wide span candle. You got to go in it to trade it. So it's much harder. So, yep, those are the levels. Foot Locker, bullish above 29.20, bear below 27.99. Let's go to YNDX. Bullish above 65. And that's a key level. There's a seller there. And bear below 63.25. That's below us. So what they did was just retrace it. Yeah, back down to the 4 EMA. We'll see if they hold it there or not. All right, let's go to Apple. Apple's been a beast. Yes, it has. We had that massive print on Apple a while back, and it's just been going up. We have an upper channel right here, so that's why I kind of went all the way up there to 480.50. We're going to be bullish above 477.50 and bear below 475 for Apple. Tesla. We're going to be bullish above 20.50. It's splitting, right? Splitting tomorrow. It might have one last before it does that. Bullish above 20.50 and bearish below 20.15 for a retracement trade. Yeah, I personally wouldn't hold it into the split, but it could be really, it's been great pre-split. All right, BAC, Apple also, I think, is splitting, right? Oh, the split's 8.31. All right, thank you. It's not splitting yet. Okay, BAC, bullish above 25.50 and bear below 24.95. All right, we just went below that. Okie dokie, we're gonna go to GLD and we're gonna be bullish above 181 and we're gonna be bearish below 179.80 for GLD. Yeah, that 180 is really key. But the reason I picked, hold on, let me show you. Yeah, the reason I picked that particular level, let me just get the pivots up. Hold on a second. All right, the reason I picked that 80 is I just wanted to go below this S2 level. I would have picked 180, but that's right there at 179.96. So I wanted to go to that 80 if it does head down again. All right, I think that's it. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for August 21st. Until next time, happy trading.
Nothing, that's my secret. Gotta keep it my secret.